Here from above, my name whispered out. I know in my heart what it's all about. I sit in this room, I sit all alone as I listen to words as they begin to drone. I worry too much what the next words could be. I worry so much about what they might see. I always seem to fail in meeting their goals. I always feel that I fail deep inside their souls. I can't take it anymore, it's driving away too far. If only I could go get to my car.